Good day, everyone. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt your heart beating so fast before speaking in front of class? Raise your hand if you have. Don't worry, class. You are not alone. Even famous speakers, teachers, and leaders once felt nervous before facing an audience. The good news is that public speaking is not a talent that only a few people are born with. It is a skill that anyone can develop through practice. Today, we will explore the fundamentals of public speaking through 5 important topics: overcoming stage fright, speech preparation, audience analysis, speech delivery, and speaker credibility. So let's begin. First one is overcoming stage fright. Imagine you're about to present. Your hands are shaking, your knees feel weak, and suddenly you forget everything you prepared. That's called stage fright. Stage fright is the fear or anxiety people experience before speaking in public. It is completely normal. Even experienced speakers experience it. How can we overcome it? Prepare and practice well. Take deep breath before speaking. Think positively. Focus on your message, not on your fear. Remember that your audience wants you to succeed. Always remember, courage is not the absence of fear. It is speaking despite being afraid. The second one is speech preparation. Have you ever heard someone speak without preparation? It usually sounds confusing, doesn't it? Great speeches don't happen by accident. They are carefully prepared. The steps in preparing a speech are: know your purpose, research your topic, and organize your ideas. Practice several times and prepare visual aids if needed. As Abraham Lincoln once said, "Give me 6 hours to chop down a tree, and I'll spend the first 4 sharpening the axe." Preparation is the key to success. And the third one is audience analysis. Imagine explaining TikTok trends to your grandparents or teaching kindergarten pupils using college-level words. It probably wouldn't work. That is why audience analysis is important. It means understanding who your listeners are before speaking. Now consider these questions. The first one is: how old are they? What do they already know? What interests them? And what language will they understand? Now, a good speaker doesn't only know what to say, they know how to say it before their audience. And the fourth one is speech delivery. Now that you prepared your speech, how should you deliver it? Speech delivery is the way you present your message. Even the best speech can become boring if delivered without energy. Now, there are tips for different or effective delivery. The first one is speak clearly, maintain eye contact, use appropriate gestures, vary your voice, smile when appropriate, and avoid reading everything from your notes. Remember, your voice and body language speak just as loudly as your words. And the fifth one is speaker credibility. Who would you trust more? A speaker who knows the topic well or someone who keeps guessing? Speaker credibility means the audience believes you because you are knowledgeable, honest, and confident. You build credibility by providing accurate information, being honest, speaking confidently, respecting your audience, and showing enthusiasm. Now, people don't only listen to what you say, they also observe who you are as a speaker. Today, we learned that effective public speaking is not about being perfect. It is about preparing well, understanding your audience, delivering your message with confidence, and building trust. Before we end, let us remember this quote, class. The most powerful voice is not always the loudest, but the one that speaks with confidence, honesty, and purpose. Thank you for listening. I hope today's discussion inspires you to speak with confidence confidence and never let fear silence your voice.